Hey everyone, last week in my January market update I mentioned that we are still in a strong seller's market. I also mentioned that some real estate experts suggest that we may be soon shifting towards a buyer's market. Now these terms, seller's market, buyer's market, are often discussed in real estate conversations, and there are simple ways to comprehend it. For example, simply knowing that there are not too many homes for sale right now, or a lack of inventory, tells us that it's probably a seller's market. Simple supply and demand economics. But there are also some cool formulas that allow us to track the market trends at a deeper level, and that is what I'm going to show you today. The first metric is the absorption rate. Absorption rate is the rate at which homes sell in a given area during a given time period. Absorption rate is calculated by dividing the number of sales in a given month by the number of available homes for sale currently. For example, at the end of December, there were 590 homes for sale in Santa Clara County, and 114 properties had sold over the course of that month. Therefore, the absorption rate was 114 divided by 590, which equals 19%. An absorption rate of 20% or higher means that homes are selling quickly and the market favors sellers. An absorption rate of 15% or lower means that homes are not selling quickly and supply is a much greater demand, favoring buyers. Between 15 and 20% is a balanced market, kind of a grey area at times. So 19% falls within that range of balance, but because December is traditionally a slow month, it is safe to assume that the skew towards a seller's market is absolutely correct. The second metric is months of supply. The months of supply is the time it would take for all the current inventory to sell if it is all sold at a current rate without new inventory coming to the market. Months of supply is the number of houses currently for sale divided by the average number of homes sold per month. For example, we currently have 660 homes for sale in Santa Clara County, and an average of 1,148 homes a month have sold over the past year. So that's 660 divided by 1,148 equals 0.6 months. This means that if no new homes come to market, the current inventory would sell in half a month. Less than 6 months of supply favors sellers since there is less choices for the buyer, and more than 6 months favors buyers since it leads to lower prices. Therefore, half a month of inventory heavily favors sellers. So that is how you can determine whether or not we're in a seller's or buyer's market. Thanks for watching, see you next time.